So here it's now red. When it will become green, then we will use it, and it will go up to 210 degrees Celsius. So we used to suggest do not touch this nozzle. This is the heat part, the white one. And after that we are focusing on the electronics, and here we used to go for the basic electronics steps, that is our snap circuit. How we can use this, I will show you the demo after this case. Now it's green, so I can use it. Now there is a motor movement which indicates through this. When I press this button, it will go down. So now the filament going inside, and after a few seconds it will come from this side after melting, and I can design here anything. Now it's coming out. I can stop. Just I will write and simple. Try this, please. Maybe एक बनाने you need to press this button. It will come. The filament will come. You can write anything like a pen, like a pen. Yes, just one click, it will come automatically. Right now, you can touch it there, like a pen. You can touch and write. Just one more click, it will stop. Yeah.
You can try once again.
Yes. Like a pen, you can. Yeah. Just one click, it will come. Whatever you want to write. And just one press, and it will stop. One more press. So this is a 2D models that students are making, but you know about how 3D we can make. Combination of 2Ds is nothing but 3D, right? If we will go for the multiple layers of the square, it becomes cube. Like that they can do it. If I will show you the demo, suppose I will make here.
বাচ্চাদের এটা দিয়ে মারতে হবে ঠাস AI hit. AI hit.
If I will make some square like this and I will merge this and join this, then I can make 2D into 3D form. So this will be one of the concepts that we used to follow in class 3 and 4, the 3D designing part. Class 5 onwards, that is converted into a software. The Tinkercad is the software, you might know about it. The Tinkercad is the software where we used to follow the designing part. All the designs are made there only. So they will go for designing and then they will go for the printing.
টিঙ্কারক্যাড লায়েন্সে শেখানো হয় স্টিম ক্লাসে, আমাদের সব নেই।
This is the simulation software where we used to go for 3D designing and the printing with your it's the online
videos. And the way you are showing on the smartphone, you can also see.
yeah, no problem. This is the platform You can see here, the 3D designing. You can do the 3D designing part and the electronics part. Even if you don't have the electronics component with you, you can make the simulations and you can practice it. So this is the way to do not waste the components, right? And this is the practice to how to develop the more interesting projects like this hand. It's 3D design. Part by part, the students have designed it and assembled. So this designing is nothing but it's a part of class 5, 6 onwards. So they will level up by the growth. And now we are talking about the electronics. If we go for the electronics part and the mechanics. So this is the snap circuit. Okay. Now, if you will go for this snap circuit, you came to know that we have multiple things here. Like we have LEDs, motors, and multiple kit like your sensors and one more thing, your buzzers and all. So, how it is easy for them? What is the difference here? See, like in the we used to do the connection in the board. So this is the board for them to do the connection. Suppose I will do the connection. Then they came to know about what is battery, how we can use the battery, and they also going to know about what is parallel connection and series connection. Whether we have done here series or parallel. What is the voltage of the one cell and how it becomes battery. So these things they are going to learn. At the same time, what is the difference between LED and lamp? Why we call LED? What is LED is? Mostly we know about its LED we need to connect positive with positive, negative with negative. But why? Because there is a diode. And the concept is why we use this LED, why not others? Now, the LED. Okay. Now, if I will connect the LED positive and negative, just I will turn it opposite, it will glow? No, it will not glow because of the diode. Then we came to know that lamp doesn't have the diode. That's why it can use with both the direction. Then they will going to implement about switches. What is push button? What is slide switch? No, I slide switch, and then here we have the motor, and most interesting is this one, electromagnetic switch. How this electromagnetic switch works and different ICs. I can show you one of the ICs. This is almost around 3 to 4.
Just we need to these are the blocks. We need to connect.
Yeah. See, in the market we have multiple things. This kind of experiments are there. But the thing is, we have designed this box as per our curriculum. This is a customized one. Yeah, it's a customized one. What we
We are
need,
creating the physics circuit.
so they can understand the circuitry part. Now,
This is the reactor for 6 to 8, no?
no, this is for class 3-4 I'm talking about. 3-4.
But they don't have this concept.
No, they will learn here in the classroom. They will learn from the
But
basic.
3, 4, 5 diodes and
No, they will not go for the detailing part. But if I told you that diode is a person who is standing here and will allow you to enter only, and there is a gate which there is a person who will allow you to exit only. Means this is the entry gate, that is the exit gate, and a person observing to enter and exit. You can't exit from this gate. So that is the work of that person. So that person called diode. What is the use of that diode? Diode allow to pass a single direction. If you can come, then it's okay. If you can go, it's okay. This is for the integrate or execute, and that person act like a diode. So they can relate like this. We don't go for diode is a component which allows the current to pass in a single direction, and this is heavy for them. So our teaching methods are different. We don't go for the boring lectures kind of thing. We will do the experiment. We have the other board. We will show them why it is going positive, why it is not going positive. So everything is there. And I'm talking about this buzzer part. Now, here we have multiple sounds we can generate. So they can understood IC means integrated circuit means a place where multiple circuits are inbuilt together. That is IC. In simple words, they can understood this part. So these things are there in this, and of course for class 5 we have added one thing, that is radio. How to make the radio? So they can understood about the frequency. Multiple things they are using. Right now they are using RC car in their home. Yes, sir. In RC car also they have used radio frequency. So what is that radio frequency is? They need to understand how it's, what is the frequency range is there. So all these things are added in this kit. Now after that, we have some mechanical things like, how many of you, actually everyone I know, but how many of you love to ride a cycle? Yes, I do. Okay. Now in the cycle, we have observed there is a two gear systems are there. One is the pedal side, one is the back side wheel. So which gear is the bigger one, which gear is the smaller one? Pedal side is the bigger one and the back side is your. So suppose this is the pedal side, and if I will go for this is connected, and here we have now if anyone can help me, if I will change the gear, I will put the small gear in the pedal side and the big gear in the back side, what will be happening? Yes? Okay. Yes. See. This is the your pedal side and this is your wheel. So once it is moving one rotation, it will move up to 6 rotation. It depends on the ratio, gear ratio. So here they will going to understand about the gear ratio as well and multiple concepts like this. So if I will change, then what will happen? Now see the speed. That's why a gear cycle have multiple gears to speed up or speed down. The concept of speed up, speed down, 4-wheel drive, 2-wheel drive, sorry, rear wheel drive, back wheel drive, what is the use of this and how they can make this gear system. So that's why we use this box that is called gear box. Okay, so this is for class 3-4 I am talking about. If I will show you the syllabus.
Power off. Battery down. There is also extended cord. Where is it?
Here in the, how many of you know about scratch?
Everyone. It's everyone.
Scratch. Now,
Scratch.
in the scratch we do multiple tasks like your animations and then games. But in this flash, we
বাচ্চারা
can't
অনেক মিয়াও
use
সাউন্ড করছে।
our AI
Meow.
models. That's why we are using here pictograph. Now, in electronics, if I talk about class 6 or class 5 onward, we are going into breadboard activities. Now, the breadboard activities means the circuit, whatever they have done here using a snap circuit, they can do with the wire and all. Okay, and class 6 onward, they will be working on the Arduino microcontroller. Okay, and then we have ESP32, upgraded version of the microcontroller, and in class 8, they will use this PCB to make their own PCB board. They will design the PCB in the software, and after that they will develop their own PCB board with a zero PCB. And in upgraded version like in class 9, 10, we used to give them opportunity to make their own PCB, like original PCB we have like that. They can make. Now,
ক্লাস 10-এর কপিটা দিয়ে দেবেন যেমন আছে ক্লাস ডিএস কল মি কম্বাইনিং দ্য এন্টায়ার হডের হোমওয়ার্ক আপনি রিজেক্ট করেছেন বলছে ওয়্যার আর ইউ
project done by class 7 students. They have used Arduino, they have used motor driver, Bluetooth module, different motors. So, this is a Bluetooth control car and you can operate it with the mobile. So, anyone? This side.
দিন
এইসব তো করেন কোনটা করবো ভাই এদিকে এদিকে
এটা সামনে এটা পেছনে
দেখতে পাচ্ছেন না বলছে না দেখেই করো
এই সেশনটাই বাচ্চাদের 1 মান্থ করাতে হবে
আগে নিজে শিখি
হ্যাঁ এই সে বাচ্চারা ধরো এটাই পায় এটা ইম্পর্টেন্ট আপনি উল্টো ধরেছেন মনে হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ এটা
বাচ্চাদের দেখালে ভালো হয়
না
না দেখুন কেন
ব্যাটারি আছে
Here also, so you calculator run by the student. Not visible. We have
Charger.
this is the calculator that I have done. This the simple one. Can do addition, subtraction. That's simple. Here also they have used programming concept. That programming we start from class 4 onwards. Not in class 3. We have little bit of the programming. They like a scratch. I can show you.
বাড়িতে আজকেই বানাবেন আর এটা বিগ সাইজ বানাবেন আফটার ভ্যাকেশন। আফটার এটা পিকচার তো আর এটা পিকচার তো আরেকটা
ছবিটা ভালো লাগছে। That is what are done. Now here you can see the IP address generated with that ESP32. Now here we have used ESP32 and I will connect this with the Python code. This is the Python code and I will just type the address here. Just save this and after that I can run the Python code from here. Now our window will open. It's an AI version which will detect your fingers moves. And this AI will start from class 8. Class 7 they have the block based AI which I will show you. And for that for class 6, 7, 8 have the quality. Through this they can understand about programming and the AI concepts. I will show you the AI concepts. Now, here, you can observe the figures. There. Anyone can come and perform this. I can show this to everyone. Sir.
এখানে হাতটা জাস্ট
Now you can observe all the nodes it's denoted with red dots. And now movement of the finger. It, one by one, one by one. So through that node, it will detect that yes, it's moving, it's not moving. Now you can put this one out. Okay? Thank you. So, this is the AI project that we have started in class 8. But it's a combination of all that we have observed. First thing, 3D designing and printing. Second, mechanical concept. Mechanical concept undertaking of the motor, which type of motor we can use. Because in the field we have multiple motors. Gear motor we have your DC motors, multiple motors are there. So to decide which type of motors we can use, which type of material we can use, things is there. And now the concept of electronics, the programming, and the concept of AI. Everything is inbuilt in this project. Now I want to show you this platform.
আচ্ছা
This is just like a scratch. It's a pictograph, and you can download this in the software. It is available in the online mode also. And if you want, you can download the offline version. Okay. For class 4, 5, 6, I'm talking about. They don't know the programming of that Arduino board. Okay. For them, we have this kit that is called PC. This is PC. This kit is customized. We are using only the component which we are having in different electronics elements as well. And this kit is designed in such a way you can program this with block-based coding, simple blocks. No need to go for the multiple things like has included multiple codes you don't need to write. You just need to track this blocks and you can write the code. I can show you the code as well. Now it's connected. I will start this and then I will show you the code. If I will touch this tab, it is forward. I will put this in somewhere so you can observe. Forward, and now I can go for right, I can go for left, and you can go for this back. Just
block program.
block code. I can show you the code.
Arduino sensor is there.
No, there is no sensor, sir. It's AI version.
Oh yeah, yes.
Now see the code, a simple code.
Infrared is what using. Which kind of rate is using? Which kind of frequency is using?
It's connected to the Bluetooth.
Good infrared wave. That's what I'm saying.
So if anyone wants to try, can come. If not, then I will close it down. Not only this, I can show you multiple things over here. You can observe this many extensions are there. I can show you the AIML part. Some of things are not available in the scratch. Many more things are not available in the scratch. That's why we have used this pictoblock, and through this only you can use multiple concept of Python. You can learn. The students can understand what is programming, which type of programming they are going to do in the Python. And if I show you code for that one, which we are using in class 6. Here we can go for, and if you connect it, now here I will go for the code and I can select, there is an option, I can select, if I know the basic blocks, I can go for it, and if I don't know nothing, I can go for this one. And if I know C programming, I can go for this option, I can go for the Python option. So here through this, a single kit, the student can understood all kind of programming that they know. If they know about block-based coding, C, Python, anything. If you want to show them a project, you can use that also to program this. Now I am going for the basic, very basic one. I can show you. Let me go for make the new project. So sorry, I have not stopped this.
These are the limitations of programming. মানুষ হলে আটকে যেত।
Okay, here we have what kind of things are available in this small kit. You have your temperature sensor, battery over there, plus sensors are there. You have gesture control sensor, the LEDs are there, and here we have buzzers, that sound sensors, everything is there. So if you want to use, you can use this, or I can go for forward. Then here we have the option which type of components I can use, and then I can assemble this component. If I go for the forward, then I can write the code like this, a hexagonal code. It's a simple code for them. Now
স্যার অফ করে দেবো।
just at the end, I just wanted to explain you this syllabus. So now whatever I told you, it will be clear in the mind. Here, first in class 3 they are going to have about this kit, that is your gearbox, and after that they have paper circuit. What is paper circuit is? Circuit made in the paper. They will use a copper tape to design the circuit, whatever circuit they wanted to design, so they can understood the wiring, how bell is ringing, how fan is on and off, so they can understood this when they will use a paper tape
করুন কতক্ষণ হবে
and the
110
alligator
এক্ষুনি আসবে
wire. This
অলরেডি চলে আসছে
alligator wire they will use to connect, and they can go for the raw kind of things. And after that, here we have the software that I told you, the class 5, 4 they have higher level. Now in class 5, they will go for the breadboard activities that I told you, connect with the jumpers and all, like inside this. As I told you, like this, you use multiple jumpers and the breadboard for this.
বাইরে একটু ওয়েট কর, ঠিক আছে? একটা সেমিনার চলছে, একটু পরে একটু জাস্ট আমি না সিঙ্গেল লাইন, ওয়ান ফর দ্য গার্লস অ্যান্ড ওয়ান ফর দ্য বয়েজ। আর একটুখানি ক্লাস মনিটর প্লিজ মেনটেন দ্য লাইন। Who are the monitors? Okay, we maintain a line, one for the boys and one for the girls. বাইরে silent. জায়গা কোথায়? প্লেস কোথায়? একটুখানি কম্প্যাক্ট হয়েছে, সামনে আসতে
Here we have some of the
এখানে ভিড় হয়ে যাবে, চেঁচামেচি হবে।
And
Both the
here
section.
we understood about mechanics plus electronics.
একটা সিঙ্গেল লাইন আলাদা বলে দিতে হবে।
You know they will combine these two projects, both that kit and this one, and they will make some innovative projects. And then they will start with the 3D printing part. So here they will go for Tinkercad and they will explore the modeling, how they can make the designs. And in class 6, again they have the breadboard with the multiple components like transistor, how to use that, and the PC, and then your 3D printer. And here they will start with the Arduino. For class 6 onwards, they will start with Arduino kit and AI models. AI models, they will start with Party, this kit, from class 6 onwards. And after that, if you go for class 7, they will going to make their own PCB designing. They will going to have the PCB and they will design their own PCB. And now we have how to make a manual robot, and then 3D designing and the printing part. Then they will go for the Python chatbot. Class 8 they have Arduino projects, and then PCB designing, especially how to design the PCB, actual PCB in the market. Then they have Python course, how to implement that Python through quality. These things are there in the syllabus. So once they will understand the syllabus, they will automatically come with the different ideas that I wanted to make this project with this idea, with this concept. So we work on that also. It's not like that in the classroom only we will teach and stop. No, if students will come with some new idea, we will process and we will going to have it possible. Yes, that's it for now. If you have any doubts,
Sir, who will teach them? We are not told.
no, the teaching part is our side, and we will lab setup also.
There is a STEAM class, no?
Yeah.
STEAM class, another body.
Yeah, STEM class you can say, we used to give them a name, robotics and AI classes, where we used to give our faculty. They will come, they will teach, and they will teach.
So our school faculty cannot work. I mean, they cannot take the class.
Your faculty, sir?
I mean, if you are giving all the equipment and all those things, and if you train us, then we can take
It
the class
will
or
take time. It will take time.
We are two different line code এখানে printer one for the girls and one for the boys, and be the prayer here.
যখন তখন কি করবে?
Our faculties are just due to the difference or faculties could be a BTech or an MTech or a PhD in computer science, information science, because this is a new subject. I can't do one class for that.
সিঙ্গে দুটো লাইন মেক কর না, why you have to break the lines? Be in a single line. মেয়েদেরকে এখানে ডাকতো। girls, come here.
Class team, class teacher, please report to the class immediately. Class team, any class teacher, please report to the class.
In A.
That they do like the same concept.
They will work within the lab.
They will be working within the lab. We will get dedicated faculty to future campus school. We will be reporting to the principal or to the HODs, just like any other faculty in your school. You will be all lower resource. You will be on our payroll, on our training process. They will be taking only robotics and AI classes, and if required, if there is a free period, you can also utilize it for his computer skills, computer coding and programming skills, only if it is required. But I'm
So
sure
also
you
need
already have a vast
separate
experience.
classes for
You
this,
will
no?
not be given an extra responsibility, unlike many other schools. So, and there is only one phase over here. Let's say for an example, like Mohit is the faculty head. Let's say for an example, Mohit is here. But Mohit is not the only person who is here, who is associated with Future Campus School. He is just the face who is teaching the regular classes from morning 8 to 4 or whatever. But there is a bracket team, which is an R&D team, who is constantly pushing
Yes.
Mohit, because
They are waiting
Mohit
for the
is not
class.
possible taking classes the entire day and then going back and working on the curriculum and finding out new projects, finding out new kits and trying to develop on the curriculum. It's not possible for that guy. So there is a complete separate dedicated team who is working day in and day out in the office doing the R&D on a regular basis. The kits that you are seeing today, these kits might not be possible because you might have seen 3 or 4 years back. So the schools you are working for the last 3 or 4 years
The best for the morning activity.
Here.
after 6 months of my
The best for the morning prayer.
Check on.
God, we thank you for the head,
let's say every project that was seen on the paper today, like the car, like the robotic hand,
help
there is
us
always a industry
to thankful to be to others, kind and good. In all we do, advocate our dream to grow more level every day. To grow more level
government is getting done in US or somewhere. Every project is having an industry. যখনই দেখা যাবে যে এই প্রজেক্টের আর কোনো ইন্ডাস্ট্রি রানিং that set of things will be taken back and the new set of things
Even
will
these
be coming
students join the
that
assembly.
will be again implemented. And
Even these students join the
that is
assembly.
our way of working. আর এটা বলে দেওয়ার পরে আমি বলছি আরেকটা কথা, that initial 2 to 3 years of phase, because you have so many computer experts over here, you can also be constantly observing what is going on. Like you will have a free period, you can come and join in that class. But এটা overnight skill set টা develop করা যাবে। Maybe after 1 year, after 2 years, we can sit down, we can again come over and see whether one of your faculty actually able to get to that kind of level
So should I
take the classes forward in the future. So it is simple resource very action. So I can take that person for, we can support with the kids and the curriculum and the faculty can take up the classes. So that can be done. But overnight এটা হবে না। আমি বিজনেস মডেলে একটা কাজ করলেও ফেলিয়ার হবে। কারণ অন্যান্য অনেক কোম্পানি আছে কাজ করেছে, সেই সমস্ত কোম্পানির সাথে 1 বছর কাজ করার পর স্টুডেন্ট ফেসিং লট প্রবলেম। কারণ স্পেশাল ফ্যাকাল্টি যে হাসপাতালে বলছে যে আমি পারবো না, আমার ম্যাথস ক্লাস চলছে। One of the students have seen practical working on maths HOD has been converted to robotics and AI. 3 মাসে একবার একটা আমরা ফ্লাইং ক্র্যাশ কোর্স করে দিয়ে গেলাম শনিবার রবিবার। It's not possible. এই একটা প্রজেক্ট শেখানো কিন্তু আমাদের উদ্দেশ্য না। এই প্রজেক্টটা নিয়ে যদি আপনি ক্লাসে যান, there will be any number of questions which is coming technically from the student side. So whether that faculty will have faced all those technological difficulties, সেরকমভাবে আনসার করতে পারবে। কারণ শুধুমাত্র জাস্ট প্রজেক্টটা করিয়ে দিলাম, যে প্রজেক্টটা কীভাবে বানাবে এটা that's not the concept that we try to implement. We try to implement each and every component into the minds of the student. সেটা হতে পারে রোবটিক হ্যান্ডটা বানানো না, অন্য একটা কোনো প্রজেক্ট বানানো। এটা হয়তো আজও কোনো স্কুলে বানানো হবে।
And even incorporating the
Concept
concepts
is
of
a
the
vocational
vocational
training.
training.
Exactly.
So you have a top, these are topic.
But that project
Recently, there was an election for house captains and vice captains, and the results are out. So I would be reading out the names of the house captains and the vice captains, and it goes as follows. Red House Captain Ronak Das. I repeat, Red House Captain Ronak Das and Vice Captain Anushka Ray. I repeat, Red House Vice Captain Anushka Ray. Blue House Captain Ayush Mondal. I repeat, Blue House Captain Ayush Mondal and Vice Captain Piyushi Dey. Vice Captain Piyushi Dey. Yellow House Captain Ohitagdi Mondal. I repeat, Captain for Yellow House Ohitagdi Mondal and Vice Captain Ashnango Jana. Vice Captain for Yellow House Ashnango Jana. Green House Captain Dr. Vishwash. I repeat, Green House Captain Dr. Vishwash and Vice Captain Anitya Mishra. Vice Captain for Greenhouse Anitya Mishra. Congratulations to all the captains and vice captains, and I wish you all the very best for the upcoming year.
ওখানে কাপ আছে একটু নিয়ে নেবে।
School, the Revolutionary National Anthem. जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उत्कल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभाशिष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगल गायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय जय